thought this was a little spicy that when we were talking about it, because we're saying it very nicely, but there's a lot of real thought and feeling behind it, which is caution and balance are needed when accessing data during the study. There's lots of reasons people are going to be reviewing data during the study. Know why you're doing it.
You know, clinical trials are very expensive, and for those of us doing them, but in particular senior management and C-suite folks, they feel like, we're spending all this money. I want to know, and there are lots of reasons to want to know. I want to know because I want to make internal business decisions for the company. I want to know because I want to share this information with our investors so we can raise enough money to finish this study. I want to know because we have a formal interim analysis planned that is going to give us an idea, with statistical rigor of where we're at in this clinical trial. And these are all understandable reasons, but for each of these reasons, we need to be very cautious about lots of things. We need to be cautious about how mature the data are. We need to be cautious about any statistical implications. Anytime that you're doing a formal comparison, that you're applying a statistical test, we need to keep in mind that adjustment for multiplicity, that idea that the more we test, the more we'll see something just by random chance and not because it's a real effect. We need to keep in mind ethics. Especially for a company that's publicly traded, we definitely want to stay far away from the radioactive idea that any insider trading is happening. But in a more broad sense, when data are immature, then, and if those data are used to make decisions, those decisions might have to be walked back.